fifth graders, welcome back to school. Let's do open house. Follow me.
My name is Mrs. Horn. I will be your fifth grade teacher this year. Welcome to my classroom. I know things are a little bit different than what we're used to, but that's not going to stop us from learning and having a great time this year. Let me go ahead and show you what I have set up in my classroom. Even though we'll be learning virtually for at least the first 9 weeks, I will be teaching from my classroom, and I hope that at some point you'll come back and learn in the classroom with me. So let's take a look around.
All right, to begin our classroom tour, you can definitely notice that we have the desks spread apart as far as we physically can in this classroom. Until students decide to return to the room, maybe that's after the first 9 weeks, maybe it's a little bit longer, we're not sure yet. But if and when we make that decision, we will go ahead and add the plexiglass dividers to all of the desks as well. Until right now, the room will remain empty aside from me teaching in it. And we will go from there. So as we move through the room, we have our word wall. These are the majority of the terms that fifth graders will use in our Envisions math program. Continuing on, we do have sinks in the majority of our classrooms. So again, if and when your children decide to return to school, we have proper hand washing stations that will be set up. Moving to our interactive bulletin boards. We start on the left here, we have our learning targets. It's important to me that your child knows what they're responsible for learning and that it makes sense to them. So when they come home at the end of the day and you ask your child, hey, what did you learn in school today? They know exactly what they learned. It's all right there for them. So this is just the first week of information that they'll be learning. When they do come back to the classroom, it'll be updated every week, and I'll still try to make sure that we have a focus on it even though we're virtual for the first 9 weeks. Moving over to the Student Center. Again, it's important to me that your child knows what's going on, not only within the classroom, but within the school as well. So as you'll see, the calendar at the top is always updated with important quiz, test dates, any events going on in the school. So that's kind of the master calendar, has everything on it, and I update it as frequently as possible. Bottom left-hand corner, we have our happy birthdays. So I'll print out the birthdays of every student in my class for the entire month. Then they'll get a little treat to go with it. Middle will have the lunch menu, which I'm sure if your children are eating at home, they're probably eating way better than I am here at school. And we have our upcoming events. So again, this is any like music events, anything like that. Although for right now, I think a lot of things have been put on hold, but I will update those as I know of them. On the right-hand side, right now it just says math homework. This will be updated to be math and science homework since I am teaching both this year. This is a great tool for when students return to school because anything that is up on this board is what is expected for them to copy down in their agendas. And again, if and when they do decide to return to school, we will kind of go over that more in detail when they return. The back of this board, I place a huge emphasis on celebrating successes, whether that's a good test score, so getting an A on a test, or just improving a quiz or test score in general. So I always celebrate the top scores in the class. We also celebrate top improvements. We celebrate, hard work, a lot of effort, anything like that. And the work will be displayed back here as long as the students are comfortable with that when they return. You can see that we have all the lockers in the back of the classroom. We have some more math terms up there, hidden math, so extra math tools to assist your child in learning. Going over here, this is just a little board about me, just some pictures, family pictures, so that way the kids know that I am a human too. And then we have our whiteboard up the front.